Howdy.
Well, I forgot my Santa hat, but that's okay, Jose. This is a video teach on Jingle Bells, a Cowboy Christmas. It is a one-wall, 32 count, absolute beginner level line dance. So the lesson on Jingle Bells, and then in quotations, or parentheses rather, a Cowboy Christmas. It starts out with the weight on the left and a vine to the right. Going to stomp on the left foot on 4, so the vine right stomp looks like this, side, behind, side, stomp. Toe fans for 5, 6, 7, 8, out, in, ending with a touch and the weight on the right foot. Same pattern on the left side, vine left stomp, toe fans, side, behind, side, stomp, out, in, weight ending on the left. So the count on the first half of the dance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight ending on the left. Next up we have 2 rocking chairs, forward and back on the right foot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you're not familiar with the rocking chair, your weight is basically remaining on the left foot, and that's your pivot foot as you rock forward and back on that right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the dance ends with something. Last 8 counts of the dance with the weight on the left. After the 2 rocking chairs, we're going to walk it up for 4 and kick our left foot forward on 4. So we go walk, 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 kick, and walk it back for 4. Walk, 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 touch, and that's the end of the dance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. End of dance, one wall dance. We're ready to start again. There is a restart. There's actually 2 restarts in the dance occurring on wall 2 and 6, and it's about halfway through the dance. What you do on those 2 restart walls is you do one of the rocking chairs and you restart after the first rocking chair. So you'll hear it in the music on wall 2 and 6. You'll do 1 rocking chair and then restart the dance at that point on wall 2 and 6. So the music, it's I don't want to say slow tempo, but it's definitely not a quick tempo for this dance. It allows you to kind of feel the beat and dance through the beat easily. The lyrics are fun, so kind of, and it's country, so it gives you that just kind of a fun, uplifting, spirited, easy country Christmas line dance. So enjoy.